Hey, Scott Murray here, Level 5 Tools. I want to just talk about a range of ordering options we have for our full range of automatic taping tools and also hand tools. You know, not only do we have an Amazon.com store for Level 5 Tools, go there, you'll see us everywhere. You can go to eBay, we've got our tools out there on eBay, plus we've got a broad network of distributors and dealers all around the country that carry our full line of tools. If your local dealer is not carrying the Level 5 line right now, stop in and tell them to check us out at level5tools.com. They'll be very impressed with the line we offer. We have the best customer service on earth, and it's a wonderful line to give your finishing friends and for the dealer to give their finishing customers a choice. You're going to have a better price point choice, you're going to have a better brand choice with Level 5 Tools. Guarantee the best customer service on earth. We have the best warranty across our full tool range. You'll be very pleased to know. So go out there and look online, but also go to your local dealer and talk to them about carrying level5tools.com. We appreciate your help. Welcome to the Red Zone. If you like this video, hit the like button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel for a lot more information about Level 5 Tools. If you've got questions or more details sought, go to our Facebook page, Level 5 Tools, Instagram, and you can always go to level5tools.com. Welcome to the Red Zone.